Owning a supercar is in the wish list of many people. Having a Lamborghini or Ferrari of your own will give you next level of pleasure, but this requires goal setting, research, financial preparation and maintenance. We will go through each of these points so that you can also plan for your dream car. Setting the goal involves envisioning the type of supercar you desire, whether it's a sleek and powerful sports car, a luxurious grand tourer, or a high-performance hypercar. Additionally, you will delve into your personal motivations for owning a supercar, such as the thrill of speed, the allure of cutting-edge technology, or the desire to make a bold statement. By identifying these underlying reasons, you can align your goal with your passions and ensure a truly fulfilling supercar ownership experience. This step also includes considering practical factors like your budget, lifestyle, and intended usage of the supercar, whether you plan to use it as a weekend cruiser, a track day warrior, or a daily driver. Clarifying your intentions will aid in narrowing down the options and making informed decisions later in the process. In this segment of this comprehensive guide, you will gain invaluable insights and practical tips to help you define your vision and establish a solid foundation for the thrilling adventure that lies ahead. This crucial stage lays the foundation for your entire journey towards realizing this extraordinary aspiration. By clearly defining your objective, you establish a tangible target and create a sense of purpose that fuels your determination. Your research involves delving into the diverse world of supercar manufacturers, models, and specifications, as well as studying performance metrics, handling characteristics, and available features. This extensive investigation allows you to identify the specific supercar that aligns with your desires and requirements. Furthermore, planning becomes essential as you consider factors such as financing options, including leasing, loans, or outright purchase, and understanding the associated costs of ownership, including maintenance, insurance, and fuel expenses. In this stage, you learn how to set a realistic budget, factoring in not just the initial purchase price but also long-term expenses to ensure a sustainable ownership experience. Additionally, you explore authorized dealerships, independent sellers, and online platforms to find the most reputable sources for acquiring your dream supercar. By dedicating time to research and planning, this comprehensive guide equips you with the necessary knowledge to navigate the complex landscape of supercar ownership, making informed decisions that will shape your journey towards acquiring the ultimate automotive masterpiece. During this meticulous process, you embark on a comprehensive exploration of the supercar landscape, gathering vital information and evaluating various aspects to make well-informed decisions. Financial preparation encompasses a comprehensive evaluation of your financial resources, allowing you to determine the feasibility of owning a supercar and establishing a solid financial plan. You embark on a detailed analysis of your income, savings, and existing financial commitments, taking into account factors such as your monthly budget, disposable income, and long-term financial goals. By setting realistic expectations and identifying the funds available for your supercar purchase, you can make informed decisions about the financing options that suit your needs, whether it's through leasing, obtaining a loan, or making a cash purchase. The guide also provides invaluable insights into the associated costs of ownership, including insurance premiums, maintenance expenses, and potential depreciation. By meticulously considering these factors, you can create a sustainable financial plan that ensures not just the acquisition of your dream supercar but also its continued enjoyment in the long run. In this stage, you also gain valuable knowledge on negotiating prices, exploring incentives, and maximizing the value of your investment. Through meticulous financial preparation, this comprehensive guide empowers you to navigate the financial landscape of supercar ownership, helping you achieve your aspiration while maintaining a secure financial foundation. Maintenance includes a comprehensive understanding of the unique maintenance requirements that come with owning a high-performance vehicle. You delve into the intricacies of routine maintenance, such as regular oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections, to keep your supercar operating at its peak. Furthermore, you explore the importance of finding a reputable and knowledgeable service center or specialist who understands the specific needs of your supercar's make and model. The guide also delves into the significance of following manufacturer-recommended maintenance schedules and staying up to date with software updates and recalls. Additionally, You gain insights into the importance of preserving the cosmetic appearance of your supercar, from proper washing techniques to protecting the paintwork with specialized products. Understanding the significance of proactive maintenance. The guide emphasizes the benefits of preventative measures, including regular inspections of critical components, fluid checks, and timely replacements to prevent potential issues from escalating. By equipping yourself with this knowledge, you can ensure the optimal performance, safety, and aesthetics of your supercar, preserving its value and enhancing your ownership experience. Through comprehensive guidance on maintenance, this enlightening video empowers you to navigate the intricate world of supercar care, helping you cherish your prized possession for years to come. This stage emphasizes the importance of building a network of fellow enthusiasts, industry professionals, and online communities who can offer guidance, support, and insider knowledge. By engaging with like-minded individuals, attending car meets and events, and participating in online forums and social media groups, you gain access to a vast pool of resources, including recommendations for reputable dealerships, expert mechanics, and reliable sources for purchasing or selling supercars. The guide highlights the significance of leveraging these connections to stay informed about the latest industry trends, upcoming releases, and potential buying opportunities. Additionally, you gain insights into accessing reliable sources for vehicle history reports, market valuations, and comprehensive research materials to aid in your decision-making process. By actively networking and utilizing available resources, you expand your knowledge base, establish valuable relationships, and navigate the complex landscape of supercar ownership with confidence. This comprehensive guide equips you with the tools to tap into this rich network, empowering you to make informed decisions and connect with the resources necessary to fulfill your dream of owning a supercar. This stage emphasizes the importance of experiencing firsthand the performance, handling, and overall feel of the supercar through test drives. It provides insights into the proper techniques to evaluate acceleration, braking, steering responsiveness, and comfort, enabling you to gauge how well the vehicle aligns with your preferences and expectations. The guide also highlights the significance of conducting thorough inspections, either by yourself or with the assistance of a trusted mechanic or specialist. This involves scrutinizing the exterior and interior condition, checking for signs of previous accidents or damage, assessing the mechanical components, and reviewing service and maintenance records. Additionally, the guide delves into the importance of requesting a vehicle history report to uncover any potential red flags, such as previous ownership, maintenance issues, or title discrepancies. By following the recommended steps in test drives and inspections, you gain confidence in your decision-making process, ensuring that the supercar you ultimately choose meets your standards of quality, reliability, and performance. Through comprehensive guidance on test drives and inspections, this enlightening video empowers you to make informed choices and embark on the thrilling journey of supercar ownership with confidence. To negotiate and purchase a supercar, start by thoroughly researching the market value and setting a realistic budget. Gather information about the specific supercar you desire, including its history and maintenance records. Visit multiple dealerships or sellers to compare offers and leverage competitive pricing. During negotiations, be confident, set clear boundaries, and use your research to support your position. Consider factors like the car's condition, rarity, and demand. Explore financing options and secure the best terms. Finally, conduct a thorough inspection and ensure all necessary paperwork is in order before finalizing the purchase.